All right, as you seen, the second guard just taught you how to open a crab with your mouth. You ain't supposed to do it with your mouth. Caution, be advised, you will bleed if you bite the wrong piece. Now, I'm gonna show y'all how to open a crab up with a prison shank. You see this right here? Prison shank. I think it came from Angola or something like that. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. You take your prison shank, toothbrush, file down, whatever. And I'm just joking. But you can break it down from this point, but basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do as fast as possible. I'm gonna take the whole crab out without messing the whole thing up. That way I can lay it right next down to itself. So we're gonna start just coming right here. Be advised, this prison shank, you can get into the meat and mess it up. Look at that, ooh, ooh. Prison action. Don't hurt yourself either. Come in here, look at that. Ah, luscious. Make sure the guard ain't looking, babe. I'm gonna take my prison shank. All right. Once you get in there, you don't too much need to use the shank. Just get it just like that. Look how big it is. So I ain't gonna try to break the side. Like I said, I can open this a little bit better, but the way I'm trying to do it is I'm gonna open it to the point where it's still intact, if that makes sense. So it might take me a little second, but as you see, I got this segment out the way. It's all intact. Hey, another thing, it's almost like a guard is really watching me because I got one of my daughters is woke and my son is in his bouncer and then my other daughter is upstairs. So I don't know how much time I got before one of them makes some noise. Get to the top like that, break it down, and watch your finger too. It play a big role. All right. I'm trying to not use my mouth this whole time. Look at that. Hold on now. Now I got the second part. It's like a 4-part. Now it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 5-part crab. Take that prison shank, put it back in there. And I advise if you don't have a prison shank, don't try to do it. You gotta have that knowledge. Just like that. Cut down. Come on the other side of the crab. Like you're filleting it. All the way through. Boom. Now we got the other part of the crab. Got it. I don't think I'm gonna go all the way down because this is gonna be real hard to get this bottom piece. I can do it, but so I got the whole crab still intact. Let's do this part. I'm biting this like a damn dog. like a wild animal. But as you see, look, now we're gonna let you get in a good view, right, babe? Mm-hmm. So.
What's that piece called?
Shit, I don't know. So look, as you see, this piece came off right here, but everything else should be full intact. I'm trying not to break the actual crab. So I'm gonna pull it like this. Kind of got it out of there. Just like that. All right, taking this piece out. Come down. It's like you're playing surgery because all the muscles and everything are still intact and they still in the crab. So as you see, you can see them coming out right now. Got me breathing hard over here like I'm doing an operation. All right, this part coming off right here. I'm gonna break it a little bit. All right, cause all the muscles and everything. Just like that. Come down to the last piece. And got all this in there. And as you see, woo! All right, watch it, baby. As you see, try to clean this up for you. As you see, that is literally the whole crab. All right, look at her. Like she making a video, but as you see, that is literally the whole crab. Get a little closer, but can you say good? That's the whole crab. Out of there. Uh-oh, told you, look. Baby number one. But that is how you take the whole thing out of there.
Daddy.
I'm gonna eat it.
Daddy.
But until then, don't eat it like a dog like I was just doing. Take it nice and slow and just eat your crab and enjoy it. But hopefully I helped and explain to a couple people how to literally open it without, you know, breaking up and leaving a lot of the meat in there. So this is how to open a crab with a prison shank. And no, this ain't no damn prison shank either. This is a kitchen. I forgot where I got this from, but it's just a little sharp knife. So this is how you open it with a prison shank. Keep it good Gucci. All right, now